Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Talisha, and I also go by CreativiTeeByT.
And I'm Cherie Thomas. We're so excited to share with you that we've started a new series, and it's called Elevate
with Ankara. So due to the popularity of the last series that Cherie and I had done together, which was the Summer Vacation Sewing Series, we knew that we had to get back together and give you another series to enjoy.
During the beginning of the year, I reached out to Talisha and asked her what she thought about us creating a year-long series. I'll admit that I feared that she would think I was crazy, but she didn't.
Absolutely not, because as everyone knows, I love series. I love doing series, or I should say putting on series for you all to enjoy. I love the creativity within series, and I like to create within the series. So no, I was not thinking that she was crazy. I was on board immediately.
We talked about how sometimes we see patterns that are so simple and boring, so we pass on buying them. And then we see some of our friends in the sewing community posting garments using the same patterns, and we're stunned at how gorgeous they are. Quickly, they inspire us, and they're basically give us the desire to give those patterns a shot.
Yeah, and something that is just very common with all of those patterns is that they are all simple patterns that are made with Ankara fabric. And it's just very noticeable, and we just love how Ankara fabric elevates those looks.
After we talked about our love of Ankara fabric, we decided that we wanted to inspire you all by taking some basic patterns and really transforming them and elevating them with Ankara fabric. So that's how we came up with the title, Elevate with Ankara.
So you may want to know a little bit more about how this series is going to work. So how this works is that every month, Cherie and I are going to give you 2 videos that has the topics of Ankara and little different things, and Cherie will go off into that a little bit more in detail. But we're going to give you 2 videos per month. One video is going to be on my channel. The other video is going to be on Cherie's channel. Now, for this month, which is the month of November, there are going to be 3 videos, and that is because we are just kickstarting this series, and we want to kind of get all the introduction videos and everything out to you, and then it will go to the 2 videos per month.
For this series, we've decided what we want to do is we want to basically give you a different garment every month. So one video will be us sharing some ideas to inspire you for that particular type of garment, and we will give you some pattern suggestions and what we think about how it would be elevated with Ankara. We will also include a video where we share an actual garment that we've made from that particular garment category. We will have interviews with fabric store owners, as well as people in the sewing community, and various different things that we want to share with you regarding Ankara fabric. And we're really excited to be able to do some question and answer with you all.
Absolutely. So our next video is going to be on November 22nd, and we are going to be sharing our Ankara fabric stash, okay? So our goal is to shop our stash with you and show you everything that we have that is Ankara fabric. Simple as that.
We are really hoping that you enjoy this series. Our goal is to inspire you to create all the beautiful things using Ankara fabric. Be sure to check out the videos on both of our channels, because as Talisha already mentioned, we will be posting on both of our channels. So please watch the videos on both of our channels. Support us by subscribing, giving us a thumbs up, and always communicate with us in the comment section, because we love the community that we have already built, and we're just hoping to expand that community. And we just really hope that you enjoy this series.
Absolutely. So yes, everything that Cherie said, but I tell you what, we take our times with these series. We enjoy doing these series. We hope that translate through the videos, and definitely, just like Cherie said, keep yourself posted to what we have to share with you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We look forward to talking to you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.